guys, what's going on? And welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about abrasives. This is something that everybody that has a home shop has in their shop, wherever they may store them at. Probably about a year ago, I was scrolling through, maybe less than, I don't know, we'll say a year ago. I was scrolling through Instagram and I found this company called BenchMark Abrasives, and they had a special going on. If you paid shipping, they would send you 10 Flappy Discs for just the cost of the shipping. So I reached out, I paid my shipping, and I received my 10 Flappy Discs, and I've been using them pretty much non-stop since I received them when I needed to do a job. Those are the only Flappy Discs I had on hand, so I was forced to use them. And instantly over time, what is that? Anyway, I come to really like the product and the way they lasted. So I reached out to them, told them how much I liked their product, and they graciously sent me, if I can speak, they graciously sent me a set of their, it's a cut, grind, polish kit. What that consists of, you have some cutting wheels, you have some grinding wheels, and then you have some Flappy Discs. So thank you very much. I do appreciate you guys sending this out to me. In turn, I went on their website, and you can see I just ordered a slew massive things. So what's nice about their company is you can buy all this stuff in bulk. In packages of 25 or more. One thing I would like to see is maybe a combination set to where, like, these are all 24 grit, to where if you buy, say, a combo set, whether it be the buff pads or whether it be the grind pads as far as the twist lock, that's one of the things that they offer. I would like to maybe see a combination where there's some 24s, there's some 60s, there's some 80s, whatever it may be. That's the only thing I would like to see. Other than that, the website is very easy to find, to navigate. Beside me, I'll put a clip of the website that I did. You can see everything they have on just their homepage, and also I hit the menu button to drop down. If you guys want to pause and see what they have, go right ahead, or I'll put a link in the description for their website if you guys want to go and check that out. I know they are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, and they do have their website. So I would encourage you guys to check out benchmark.com and see everything they have to offer. In the package, or in my box, what I received, they also threw a bunch of 10% off coupons for the next time I purchase, whether it be pads, blades, Flappy Discs, what else is in here? Twist locks, there's just Sawzall blades. They threw about 5 or 6 different, 10 different 10% off coupons for the next time I order. I did notice also they had in my package, they have a loyalty program to where you can sign up if you buy a lot of stuff a lot of times. I'm sure the way it works is you probably get a discount on your next purchase. Haven't checked into the loyalty program at all, just because this is kind of my first purchase through them of many. They did have some nylon wheels. I wanted to try those out. Those are on a hex 1/4-inch drive, so you don't have to run them in your die grinder. You can run them in like a drill or an impact or something like that if you wanted to. One thing I would like to see on these is have the option to have a round, because you are limited to what you can put this in as far as what you're going to chuck it up in. So I don't think I'm going to be able to put it in the round twist lock on my die grinder. I just don't know if it's going to work. So one thing I do want to pick up other than this, I want to get the M12 fuel from Milwaukee and try that out and see how it works. One other thing I saw on their website that I thought was kind of cool is Flappy Discs. They have those in the twist lock in 2-inch and 3-inch, and they have a curved edge on their 2-inch, or you can get a flat on a 2-inch too. The curved edge I thought was nice because you could tip it up and really get into a really tight crevice if you wanted to. When I was on their website also, I noticed they have Tungsten Electrodes now too, in a bunch of different sizes and different percentages as far as the tungsten. So if you guys get a chance, if you have a TIG welder, you can get your Tungsten Electrodes that are now also. One other thing that was on their website I use quite a bit of is Emery Cloth. You know, this is a roll of it. and you just pull it out, tear it off, whatever size you need. What's nice about this is you pull it the length that you want out, and then you can sit there and go on your piece of steel, whether it be round, use it on a flat surface. The main thing I use this for is on a round surface. If you have something in a vise, or if you're cleaning a shaft off on, say, a small engine, you want to clean all the rust off of it so your pulley will slide on there. That's what's nice about this Emery Cloth, being able to tear it off and use whatever, or utilize whatever length you have. Another nice thing that I thought was pretty cool is in their package, they tell you who has boxed up or who has packaged up your order, and it's on its way. That way, if you have an issue, right there, Chris is who packaged mine up. If I had an issue, I would call up and say, hey, I didn't get this, and Chris packaged it. Give them my order number, and they should be able to take care of it. So if you guys get a chance, I would encourage you to check out BenchMark Abrasives. Like I said, Instagram, Facebook, and on the old interweb, as some people say. Another nice thing I liked is what they sent me out some stickers. You know, I've got the sticker cabinet over there where I put all the businesses on there. So you guys get a chance, check out BenchMarkAbrasives.com, and they are pretty much your one-stop shop, whether it be drill bits, polishing wheels, grinding wheels, flappy bits or flappy pads, whatever you guys need. Diamond carbides, they pretty much have everything on there that you're going to need. So that's pretty much all I have today for this week's Tool Tech Tuesday. If you guys want to see more, subscribe, hit that like button, become one of the family members. We're almost to 6,000, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So guys, we'll be back later on with some more tools. So until next time, later on.